Hello YouTube, welcome back to Web Gear Review. Today I'd like to take a closer look at the M-1918 meat can. Most people call this a mess kit. If you like this kind of information and this type of content, why don't you hit the subscribe button and hit that little bell, and you'll get notified every time I put up a video. But anyway, in 1918, the United States got into World War I, and they did not like the M-1910 meat can. They said that the plate was too shallow and it just wasn't big enough meat can. So what they did was they built this meat can here, which is the M-1918 type meat can. It's very, very similar to the 1910. I can see why a lot of people mistake the 1910 for the 1918. It's built out of aluminum. It weighs 13.2 ounces. It has a metal, stamped metal galvanized handle. It has another type of cast hinge there. Has 3 rivets. Let's open this thing up and take a look at it. Three rivets inside. Everything looks pretty much the same as the 1910. But however, what they did change is they changed the depth of the frying pan. The frying pan now is 1 5/8 deep. The length is the same, 8 1/4. The width is the same, 6 3/4 to 7/8. They made this plate or this dish deeper. Look at that. They added a 1/2 inch to the depth of this plate. So now this plate is 5/8 deep. If you lay a straight edge, measure down, it'd be 5/8 deep. So basically what the change was they made a plate that was deeper. They configured the handle to fit the new plate. See that? And this becomes standard issue. However, the M-1910 and the M-1918 meat can was used all throughout World War I. And also, these were pushed plumb up into World War II and used over leftover stock. But anyhow, that's my review of the M-1918 meat can. Oh yeah, this baby here is made by Landers, Farey, and Clark, and it's dated 1918. It has that same feature there they carried over from the 1874 to the 1910 model to the 1918 model. And notice the 1932 model, they moved it over here. I also have a video on those too. Take a look at my other videos on United States mess kits. Thanks for watching the Web Gear Review. Hit like, share with the collector community and your friends. And thanks for watching Web Gear Review.